Hello, Parkview Warriors. This is your instructional video on how to use your Polar H7 heart rate monitor. So first of all, you have to know the parts and all of the equipment that we have. So we have a strap, which Ms. Lochner is holding up. This is something that you will own. You will keep it in your locker, you own it. You'll put your name on it and you own it the rest of your life. Second, we have a sensor, which comes out of a bag and they are numbered. You will be assigned a sensor, and that will be your sensor all year long. Third, we have a heart rate monitor. The monitor you will use, it's a watch, and you use it if you're outside mostly, or sometimes if we're inside. If you're wearing the sensor, you'll be able to see your heart rate will be displayed on an overhead projector, so everyone will be able to see what their heart rate is and how they're doing. So, how to put on a strap. First of all, you get your strap out of the locker room and you bring it out of the locker room. Then you go over to the tray and you grab your sensor number. You take it and you take your sensor and you place it on your strap, which Ms. Lochner is doing now. She's going to put it on. Then, once she has it on, she has to make sure that the word Polar is in front so that somebody else could read the name. Then she's going to attach the strap on. It has a small little hook and an entry for the hook. And you place it on. Once you put it on, now you have to get it up to chest level. So she puts her gym shirt over it, and then she's carefully going to pull up the strap till it gets up to chest level. And now we see if you are alive. I'll have my monitor here and I'll be able to tell right away if it starts to work and if it's showing that she is alive and that it is working. If it is working, if it is not working rather, there are some steps that you need to do. One is to readjust the strap, check it, make sure it's on properly. Two is check which way the letters are facing, make sure you can see Polar. Three, you might have to wet the inside of your strap, a little water. We might have a spray bottle that you can use to check it. Next thing you do, maybe ask a friend, see if somebody can help you tighten it or loosen it and make sure that it's getting a good conduction. And that's the last thing. Then you can panic and ask for help from a teacher. Hopefully at this point, you'll see the information on your monitor and you'll see that you are now alive and kicking. So on this right here, you can see that our student right here, Danielle, is alive. Her current heart rate is 89 beats a minute. Now it's 94, and she's at 46% of her max. And we'll talk about more about what these numbers mean later. Finally, when you're done, you take off the sensor. You bring the sensor back to its little home. You put your sensor back in its home. You take your strap. You place your strap back into your locker. You feel good about yourself, and you are done with your heart rate training. We hope this has been informational. Please watch it over and over and over again. Thank you.